Did really someone leave this? Or is it really meant for me? Let me check. I'm not sure. I think someone left this.
Hey guys, I also found an envelope under my table. How about you?
I have one too. I think this is really meant for us.
Let's go ahead and see what's inside. A letter?
It looks like an invitation letter.
Invitation for what?
For party, let's go! Hey!
Come on, let's take it serious, bro.
Oh no, I'm late.
Wait, where are they? An invitation? Wait, are you sure this the exact location? Okay.
All lost the will or the way to truly communicate. Today, you'll speak or be spoken.
I haven't really talked since my father died during my speech. I thought it was my fault.
It wasn't, but your silence has been punishing you since.
How about me?
Hey Raymond, come over here. Let's talk and tell what's you're feeling right now. Speak the truth or the mic will speak for you.
And don't believe in this. Communication is logic.
Then why could you never say you love me?
She died before I could say it.
Find your voice, Jules, not for them, but for yourself.
I blame myself. I let silence win. But now, I speak for myself and for those who couldn't.
What? I think those are just echoes, probably coming from us.
They're not just echoes. Someone's like,
They're failed voices, speakers who were never heard. This hall keeps them alive.
This is absurd. Communication is a skill, Not a chance.
You all seem like you're hallucinating.
Hey, don't joke like that. Those voices that were never heard, unless you want to be the next one to join them.
Hey Ken, can you just stay quiet if you don't have anything good to say?
Each student must stand in front of a mirror and speak to themselves. Your reflections will twist and distort when you tell a lie or hide the truth.
I'm totally fine, confident, no fear here.
I never got to say what I meant. They say it didn't matter. They say I was just being too sensitive. I was scared, but I really wanted to be heard.
Do we really have to say it out loud?
Only if you're ready to hear yourself.
I pretend I'm okay being invisible, but I'm not. Did we pass? Did we pass?
You all communicated. Honestly, that's all the world ever needed.
Oh shit! One. Wait, are there? Sa kanila na.